show you. So I'm going to show you what the setup is. I changed that a bit more narrow so I can go around the corners quickly. And let's go with Oakley. Okay, heel. Come on, here, Oakley. Sit. She's got the idea. Okay. Oakley. Oakley, come. Oakley. Oakley. Oakley, heel. This way. This way. This way. This way. Sit. Good job. Let's see, Oakley. Even though I cut the treats further, good job. I'm just gonna treat her immediately when she's close to my left side. She's doing very well. Sit. Good job. Give her another treat. Doing very well. And I have the F2B Laladoos music on. Her little mates are watching. Come. Heel. Heel. Good girl. Heel. 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 No, this way. Come. Good girl. Now sit. Good job. Doing very well. And today I'm going to introduce something new to her. Heel. Good girl. Yeah, she's doing so well. Good girl. She's making eye contact, looking up towards me. She's wet because they were playing outside in the rain. Good girl. Heel. 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 Good girl. I have to swing this over to my right hand because I'm going to be slapping like this and making that noise when I call to heel position. Okay? No. Shh, shh, shh. No. Still chewing up. That's okay. Heel. Heel. Come. This is something new to her. She doesn't hear me slap my side. Heel. Come. Good girl. I did not click. I have the treat in my right hand. Good girl. There, see? Alternating clicking. And just with praise and the treats. Good job. Letting her used to that. Good job. Just letting her come toward me. Oakley. She didn't like the slapping. Heel. Come. Good girl. Okay, I think since I can't slap with my left hand and have the clicker, I'm going to try and put that back and see if I can manage to do that. It's hard to have my hands. I need to somehow. Okay, come here. Oakley. Good girl. Yes, good girl. Okay, let's try that again. Getting her attention with the slap. Good girl. It's hard to hold it and click with the same hand. Good girl. Oh, not this way. Oakley. No. No, no chewing that. Come on, here. Yes, good girl. Oh, should wear jeans. It kind of hurts to slap my side. Here. She's playing with the toy. Okay, Oakley, come. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Yes. I think I dropped it. Let's try dropping it. Click and drop the treat. I dropped it here. Oh, that's not gonna work. I'm just gonna put it straight into her mouth. Have to allow just a few seconds after the click. Okay. Let's wait till she stops chewing it. Oakley! That's going to be stuck in her teeth. Stuck in her teeth. Shh, 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 shh. She has a treat stuck in her teeth. You okay? Oakley! 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 Heel! Heel! Stop this for a second. And acclimating her to the touchpad. You can see here. Oakley! You can see her. Oakley, come up here. She puts her paws. Then she gets a treat, a pick and treat. See how her feet are still on? And treat. Good job. Want to get her comfortable. Good job, Oakley. Getting her comfortable with the touch. Oops. The clicker just fell off my finger. Getting her comfortable with the touchpad. Luring her. And see how she's comfortable with it. There you go. Oakley. Good girl. And she's getting comfortable with the touchpad. This is the beginnings of spin to heel. Good job. First you have to get the puppy or dog acclimated to the touchpad. That's a good thing to put their paws on top of. Good job. And where does that lead us? Here, let's take this off. Take off the leash. Oop, let me take that leash off so you could see her better. Okay, so here you go. Up here. Here, go get it, Oakley. Good job. See her paws straight on the touchpad. Good girl. And that's getting her used to putting her paws there. And later on, with the leash on, we're going to turn her this way, getting her used to turning. Turning. See how she moved just a little bit? That's rear end awareness. Up here, up here. You can see her better. Here, good job. And as she is holding on to the treat, I'm gonna kind of move toward her. That's okay. Let's do that again. Here, go get it, go get it. She's looking at the camera. Good girl. Good girl. Get me some more treats. And the goal is to have her paws on it, both paws. Good girl. And have her move just a tad as I move toward her. You see how she pivoted, where's the beginnings of pivoting? I'm moving toward her. And good job. See how she pivoted a little bit? There! That's good. And this is just day one of pivot. This is rear end awareness. And I'm turning this way. Good girl. And how she pivoted. Good job. Excellent. So good. And I'm putting the treats onto the touchpad. Did you see that? Did you see me drop the... And I'm going to move toward her. And... Oh, she got off, but that's okay. And that's the first day of pivoting. Good job. She did so well. You see the toy? You see the rocking horse? Come here. Here, Oakley, here. You get a treat for doing so well. Come here. Here. Up here. Good job. Good job, Oakley. I'm having Oakley take a break with playing with some toys while I put the equipment away. And after this, she's going to go outside to potty and crate train again. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please follow, like and follow for her progress on Spin to Heel, Come to Heel. career awareness training for little Oakley. Have a good day. Thanks again for watching, and have a good day.